Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Windows and getting Python installed. This step matters because path links let you run commands anywhere. Once you download the 3x installer, run it and make sure to check Add Python to Path. This saves time. After installation, open PowerShell and run Python version, then pip version to confirm. If versions show, you're ready. If not, rerun installer as administrator and enable the path option, then test again before continuing. Once done with basic install, you set up an isolated environment to avoid package conflicts and to reproduce results. You create a venv with Python mvenv. Venv, then activate it using venv /scripts /activate, ps1 in PowerShell or activate, bat in command prompt. Make sure to install packages with pip inside that venv and save them with pip freeze requirements. txd so you can reinstall later. Also, open VS Code. Select the venv interpreter, and install the Python extension to get linting and debugging. To finish, run your program with Python script. Py and use Python mpdb or print statements to inspect values when needed. Make sure execution policy won't block activation scripts. If PowerShell blocks, run set execution policy, remote sign scope current user to allow local scripts. If you still get Python not recognized, add the Python install and scripts paths to system environment variables and restart your shell. One key troubleshooting tip: when packages behave oddly, recreate the venv and reinstall from requirements. txd to eliminate environment drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.